back to Moonstone Crafts and welcome back to another post review. It's post review Sunday again, I guess. This is my first ever completed Treasure Studios art. It's 40 by 40. It is actually a crystal rhinestone round one, so it's not a normal one. It's called Change Butterfly, and it is by the artist of Rachel Froud. It has 20 colors. Yeah, I think that's everything. I started it on the 29th of November, and I completed it on the 26th of December, so the second day of Christmas, I guess. I don't know. I know a lot of people in UK call it Boxing Day, the second day. We just call it the second day of Christmas. I don't know, in the Netherlands here, we call it that. But that's not important here. And it took me about 22 hours and 24 minutes. So I guess 22 hours and half an hour or something like that to finish it. It's very, very sparkly. This is actually my first full crystal rhinestone kit. The only thing that isn't crystal are the black drills. Those are just 310, but for the rest, I'm just gonna do this so you can see how nice that goes. For my first Treasure Studios art, I'm very happy. It was very nice to do. This was the smallest one, so that's why I started this one. I'm very curious about their squares because I've heard some negative comments about that, so I really want to start that one soon. But for now, the crystal one was perfect. The only thing I did notice is that this adhesive is supposed to be very, very sturdy. Like very strong. And I noticed that when I put a drill on, it wouldn't come off, or you couldn't squash it over a bit like you can with port glue. But then I had to roll it to store it in between doing it. And some of them did not stay on very well. So it's very interesting that it is very strong and that you can get it off when you want to, but when you don't want to, they come off. I had about 1 or 2 drills, so it's not majorly, but that's something I did notice and I think it's important to tell you guys. Yeah, it's so stunning, and it was very nice to do this piece of art. As I was saying before, it's from Rachel Froud, and she was very, very nice. I tagged her on Instagram because mostly if I have an artist that I know the painting is from, I want to tag them in it. It just feels nice to do that. And most of them don't even react to it, but she did every time. So I kept posting with her username on Instagram because I knew she would see it and she would like it, because she was very much involved in seeing how the progress went. So I would highly suggest, if you have a painting by Rachel Froud from Treasure Studios Arts, to tag her in it because she likes to see them. So that was very interesting, and I like that you could communicate with such a big artist. In my case, I think she is, and she was loving it. So very nice, very nice. I like that little extra interaction you get with her. But yeah, I think for a 40 by 40 it looks pretty good, and I knew that. That's why I chose this pick for the smaller size, because it's just one butterfly, it's just one object, which is very nice. But I will give you a quick little close-up like I always do, and then I will be back with the drills actually, because I did save the drills for this one like they are, so we can actually look how much drills I have left. I thought that would be very important this time. So see you in a bit. And I'm back. I hope you enjoyed that little bit of a close-up. I think you can see the sparkle a lot more with that. Now let's go to the drills. So in this box, this side is not important. That's the Christmas one that you saw last week in the post review. This side is from Treasure Studios Art. We'll zoom you guys in a bit. But I had pretty much enough of everything. I haven't gone through them yet to pick out the trash, the most important trash. This one has a lot left. Just a little bit. But I never ran out of any drills. There was plenty for every color that I had. I didn't run into a lot of trouble with them. I think I could just pick up a drill very easily. Only with black I had a little bit more trouble, but that's expected, so I have to go through that. But as you see, there's plenty, so I wasn't worried. But I have to go through that and pick out the bad ones. But for the rest, I have quite some left, and I love the colors on this one. Every color was beautiful. I never thought I would enjoy such a full rhinestone crystal kit, but I actually did. It was very, very fun. And if I order again from TSA, it will depend on every other painting that I got from them, how they are. But if I would order again, I would definitely get another full crystal kit. Because it's very, very nice. Lots of blues. This had a lot of... I actually saved the baggies that they came in, so I can put them back in their bag where they belong in, and put them in storage that way, so I don't waste any of the bags that they came in. I thought that it would be just useful. Because I now do save my crystal rhinestones as well, because I think that's interesting. Oh, I do remember now that I'm filming on another location this video. Didn't bring my trash bucket. But this is every trash that I get out during the painting. And that was mostly trash that was just in the wrong color. So this pink one, for example, was maybe in with the blues. I just put it in the trash. But there is some actual trash in here. Like that large piece of just not really a diamond form. But that's not much. That's definitely not much. But as I was saying before, I should get out the trash. I should get out the trash still from all the other ones. But yeah, that's it. I'm not gonna put away the trash now on cam, which I normally do in a post review, because I don't have it here and I don't want to get it, because daylight today is very like not very much here because it's a rainy day, so I have to keep on filming and filming multiple videos today. So that's gonna be it for this video. This one does get a big thumbs up from me, from TSA. I have still 2 more to do from them. I will definitely do the square one first before I do the round one, because I have faith in the round one. The square one, I'm very curious because I saw some stories about that. And I want to check out if I have the same issues or not. So that will be my next kit that I do from TSA. Not sure I'm gonna dive in straight to it because I have a big square right now. Not sure if I want to do it right away. Or do some other stuff in between, but my next TSA will definitely be the square one. It's also from Rachel Froud, so that will be interesting as well. But for now, this one is very sparkly, very nice, and I love the end result. I'm very happy with it, and it was definitely worth the money that I paid for it. So I want to thank you all for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye!